Hi guys, RIB here. How you doing today? Today I want to talk about this, right? So unity is potent, right? Disunity is impotence, right? So unity is potent, powerful. Disunity is impotence, weakness, right? So how did I get to this? So the last couple of days I've been rechecking in, right? Rechecking with what I'm doing, what I'm up to in my life, what I'm thinking, what's driving me, where my passion level's at, where my life is at in different areas, right? And some of those areas I was found a bit wanting, okay? So what I do is I ask for guidance, right? So I went to sleep last night. I said, please God, give me some guidance on this, right? And I woke up about 3 hours later, couldn't sleep. One of those sleeps where you know you can't get back to sleep. So I woke up, usually I don't look at my phone in the morning, but I switched it on, and then the pieces started to fall in place. So the last couple of days I've been reminded about slowing down, right? Slowing down. Been reminded about that. Been reminded about, the fact that life is there to help us, to support us, to upgrade us to level 2.0 of ourselves, right? But most of the time we're moving too fast to see it. We're moving too fast to understand it, right? So there was that. And then saw a great interview with Stephen Dossel, friend of mine, which was amazing. His guest himself, great chemistry, great interview. And out of that interview came, we are all cells in the same body. We are all cells in the same body. Think about that for a second, right? So now all of this, I began to kind of realize, unity is power, right? So for my whole life, it feels like that this is like an overarching theme. Growing up in 2 children's homes in London from 6 months to 18 years. And very early on, I realized that I was an ambassador. I was a guy who could bring together the different colors, races, backgrounds, ideologies around things that we can all relate. In other words, to take the things that separate us and divide us and find the things that unite us, right? And back in the days of UK, anyone remember the National Front, right? Black and white, unite and fight. Black and white, unite and fight. Anyone remember that one? Long time ago, but is even more powerful, potent, and true as we speak, right? So why am I passing this on? So I'm passing this on because I'm reaching out to you, right? How often do you check in with yourself to see where you're up to on your journey? Which areas of your life are you needing to improve upon, or change, or amend? I have them, right? I'm pretty sure you might have them too. And what are you going to do about it, right? And then, if it's where you're at right now, what is that overarching theme of your life that right now everything falls into? It might change tomorrow, it might change next year, it might change next week, but right now, where is it falling into? So for me, when it comes to Speak Up Monday, this great event which I started off on Mondays, it's about people inspire people. People inspire people. And then this one today, about unity is potent or potency, and disunity is impotent or impotency, right? So this is a really powerful one, because when we stand together as a human race, there's nothing that we can't achieve. But when there's disunity, Black Lives Matter, whatever it might be, COVID, whatever it might be, when there's disunity, it splits us up, it breaks us apart, and it causes impotency, right? It causes weakness because it's division, right? So now, just want to bring this to your attention, guys. Where do you stand in this, right? What is a theme that outlines your life, or outlines the things that you're doing in your life? How can they all come together? What can they come together around? For me, it's about unity. Unity, community, unity is power, right? For me, that's what it is. And I got like a re-clarification of that this morning. Once I let a few things go and just slow down to listen. Slow down to listen. All right? That's it for me today. Look forward to seeing you next time. Lots of love. Bye for now.